Hello guys, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Sorry, I'm very late in uploading this video. I should have uploaded this video many weeks ago, but I was late to upload this video since a few weeks due to some problems. So let's keep that apart and just focus on the topic which I have chosen for today, and that is procrastination, the problem of procrastination. From now on, you will get videos in my channel every week as I used to upload previously. So let's focus on the topic of procrastination. This procrastination problem is faced by majority of the teenagers and youngsters. So I'm keeping in my mind the case of youngsters and teenagers. I hope that this video will be helpful for all of you. So please watch the video to the till the end. First of all, let's talk about what is procrastination. We need to know the problem in order to solve the problem. Procrastination is the habit of delaying any required or important or any work till the last time, till the last minute. I mean to say, let's take an example. Suppose a person who knows that the person has any important work and has a limited time frame within which that person is required to finish the work, but that person has a habit of delaying the work till the last minute and then rushing with all the energy to finish the work, and then everything becomes hectic and haphazard, and the person is unable to finish the work within time and also is unable to finish the work properly. So this problem is procrastination. So in order to solve the problem of procrastination, I am going to give you two tips in 2 steps. First step, we all know deep within our heart what is true and what is not. So be honest to yourself and write on a piece of paper the addiction which you have. Suppose I am taking an example again. Any student is addicted to mobile phone addiction, playing games on mobile phone or using too much of social media. So nowadays there is too much data available on the internet, and the tendency is like, oh, this data is available, oh, this thing is new, oh, what is this content, let's watch it, let's see it. And in this way the person develops a tendency of overlapping things, suddenly jumping from one thing to another, and this creates a lack of concentration and focus, which is very harmful for that student's studies. Because as a student we have to focus on our studies for a long period of time. Also in giving examinations we have to focus for a long period of time, and this lack of concentration or focus is very harmful for the students. So how can we get rid of our addiction? Everything is good up to a limited extent, but when it becomes addiction, too much of it, anything is not good. Now that temporary pleasure or that temporary happiness, temporary satisfaction which we get from using too much of mobile phone or any kind of addiction gives a temporary happiness, a temporary satisfaction, but that creates a long-term damage, which I told you just now: a lack of concentration, focus, a lack of confidence within yourself also. So as I told you, anything is good to a limited extent, but anything which goes beyond any extent, that is not good. Too much of anything is not good. That is addiction. So how can you get rid of your addiction? I'll give you the tips which will definitely help you to solve this problem. So the tip is which I told you: write your addiction's name and then set an alarm clock on your phone for 1 hour, and promise yourself that within this 1 hour you will not touch your mobile phone and you will completely stay away from it. I am giving you means I can be sure about the thing that when that alarm clock will ring after 1 hour, you will get so much satisfaction that, yeah, I did not touch my mobile phone for this 1 hour. I did not get used to the habit. And this will give you the internal motivation, the intrinsic motivation which you require, which will give you the mental stamina, the mental strength to raise beyond your limits and go above this 1 hour and make it to 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, one day. After one day of productivity, after one day of staying away from your addiction, this will give you the idea that how can you stay away from your addiction, and this will also give you the mental strength to stay away from your addictions. The second step is staying productive. In order to get away from procrastination, you have to go towards productivity. How can you be productive? You have to make use of all your time, available time, what you have, as much as possible. I'm telling about that, as much as possible. So certain when you are going for study, suppose any youngster, I'm taking again one example for any student. The student is going to study, so set an alarm clock. Suppose you will study for 4 hours, set an alarm clock, and in these 4 hours, whatever happens, you will stay away from all the unproductive, unnecessary things, and you will only focus on your productive thing, which can be your studies, which can be any other productive thing. I am taking the example of a student, so the productive thing here is study. You'll only focus on that particular productive thing, and you will stay away from all the unproductive and unnecessary things that surrounds you. I'm sure that after the alarm clock will ring, after these 4 hours, you will get the satisfaction which you have needed from a long time, which you should have got a long time before. You will get that motivation now that yeah, you stayed productive, and this will give you the intrinsic motivation to become productive for one full day using this technique. And after 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, you will know how you can manage your time, how you can get the full out of your available time, and in this way you will become a master at being productive. So that's all for today. The 2 tips: first step, getting away, how you can get away from your addiction, and the second step, how you can stay productive for one whole day and throughout your week. This will help you to stay at your peak performance level, and in this way you will be able to get rid of your problem of procrastination. I hope that this video will be helpful for you all, and if it is helpful, then please share and give a thumbs up to this video, and also hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you can be notified whenever I upload any new video like this, any new content like this. So from now on you will get videos every week as I used to upload. So see you all in my next video. Bye guys.